This presentation is about data mining and text analytics. Here we explore different Vika classifiers for discriminating similar languages. Our training data consists of 7619 instances of text taken from 5 different Arabic dialects. When we run string to word vector filter over this training data, we get 2467 different features, which are basically the different words that were there in those texts. After training our algorithms on the training data, we have some test data to test our models. Our test data consists of 1540 instances of the same 5 Arabic dialects. Here is the approach that we use to find the best algorithm. We use filtered classifier with string to word vector as the filter, and we test different algorithms as the classifiers. We build those classifiers on the training data and we test them on the test data. Then we get the results, and after comparing the results we find the algorithm which gives the best results. Here is the list of different algorithms that I tried on the dataset. J48, also known as the decision tree algorithm, which basically creates a decision tree for the training data and then try to apply that on the test data. Second one is IBK, or better known as the K nearest neighbor algorithm. Then SMO, uh, whose full form is sequential minimum optimization. This algorithm is basically used to train support vectors. Then is Bayes multinomial updatable. Then is multi-layer perceptron. So now I talk about different results that I got from different algorithms. As it can be seen from the results that this algorithm did not perform so well set as compared to the training set. So it can be said that it basically overfitted the training set. Also, it took a lot of time to train, which is around 30 minutes. IBK with KNN is equal to 1 is the algorithm that overfitted the training set most. As we can see that it performed very well on training data but not so much on the test data. This is another one of those algorithms which performed very well on training data but not so much on the test data, as it can be seen. Also, it took a lot of time to train. Naive-based multinomial updatable algorithm. Uh, Actually, this algorithm I think performed best of all the algorithms. This this gave highest test data accuracy of around 49.2%, and it gave a reasonable accuracy in training data. Also, it took very less time to train. Multi-layer perceptron. Actually, I'm not sure if I trained this algorithm properly. First, I tried training it for around 2 hours, but then also I was getting a training data accuracy of around 22%. Then I tried training it for 4 hours and then for 8 hours, but still didn't I was not able to increase my accuracy to more than 22%. So I stopped there and I just included my findings in the presentation. So what I learned from the exercise, I learned how different algorithms perform on this problem of discriminating similar languages. I saw how some algorithms naturally overfit data, and I also learned that some algorithms take a long time to train, so it's some experience with them is required to be able to use them properly. And I also learned that there are some algorithms that are not included in Vika default kit. So we can just install them in the Vika as a installable jar. So for my future projects, I guess I can use those. So here are my conclusions from the presentation. For me, naive-Bayes multinomial updatable performed the best among all the algorithms. I found out that IBK overfits the training data most, and I also found that some algorithms like MLP they take a lot and lot of time to train.